Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNB network error in mobile banking. First, check your internet connection and then make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh your connection. Then turn airplane mode on, wait for a few while, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. Then restart your phone and reopen the DNB app. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for DNB, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the network error continues, it may be due to a server maintenance, so try again later. That's how you fix the DNB network error in mobile banking. Subscribe for more simple and